Did you know that around 30 to 40% of men experience or have experienced problems with premature ejaculation, and you might already be one of them or could become one? Premature ejaculation can occur at any age after the start of an active, intimate life. If left untreated, premature ejaculation can lead to erectile dysfunction in 90% of cases, resulting in loss of erection. It negatively impacts sexual performance, reducing partner satisfaction, and increasing anxiety during the act, making it frustrating and unenjoyable. In this video, I will show you the reasons behind this and how to solve it with a simple exercise. But first, subscribe to our channel to help us grow. The first disorder is erectile dysfunction. The thing doesn't rise. Some can't even get it up. Others manage to get it up, but it dies within the first few meters. There's no marathon. What the woman wants is balance. 1 in 2 men suffers from erectile dysfunction. This is not a crisis. It's a problem that can be solved. The second disorder is premature ejaculation. This one is frustrating because the man takes too long, changes positions, tries different angles, inside, outside, and still nothing happens. The woman gets frustrated thinking it's her. The exercise I'm going to teach you will help you control it. The third disorder is delayed ejaculation. This is the problem where the man takes so long to ejaculate. When a man suffers from this, he often avoids relationships out of shame or fear. The problem in sexual relationships is always with the couple, not just one or the other. The biggest mistake is not asking for help. Instead of hiding the problem, seek help because both deserve a healthy relationship. Exercise for ejaculation control. Identifying the muscles. The first step is to identify the pelvic floor muscles, which are located between the testicles and the anus. These muscles are responsible for contraction and ejaculation control. Initial test. To locate these muscles, simply go to the bathroom to urinate. While doing so, try to interrupt the urine flow. This happens when you contract the pelvic muscles, temporarily stopping the flow of urine. The sensation you feel while interrupting the flow of urine is the same as the pelvic muscle contraction needed for this exercise. Execution, contraction. Once you've identified the muscles, contract them as if you're interrupting the urine flow. Hold for 5 seconds. After contracting the muscles, hold for 5 seconds. This will strengthen the pelvic muscles and improve endurance during sex. Relaxation. After 5 seconds, relax the muscles for a few seconds to allow recovery. Repetition. Repeat this process 10 times in a row. It's important to stay focused on the pelvic muscles throughout the exercise. Rest. After the set of 10 repetitions, rest for 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your endurance. Complete the series. Do 4 sets of 10 repetitions, with 30 seconds to 1 minute of rest between each set. Benefits of the exercise: strengthens pelvic muscles. This results in better control over ejaculation, both to prevent premature ejaculation and to improve sexual endurance. Improves erections. The exercise increases blood flow to the pelvic region, which can help with achieving and maintaining an erection. Body control. Over time, you will gain greater awareness and control over your muscles during sexual activity, which will help prolong pleasure and improve partner satisfaction. Important tip: perform the exercise daily for better results. As your muscles get stronger over time, you can increase the number of repetitions or the duration of each contraction to continue challenging your body and improving your performance. This simple exercise, when done consistently, can lead to significant improvements in controlling ejaculation and sexual endurance. Let me know if you've heard of this exercise or if you've had any experiences related to it.